Shalef. Look. Where are his eyes? Don't touch them. Don't touch. Don't touch. Yeah. What's he saying? Can you say hi? Say hi. Oh, what's that noise?
מחייך, הוא מחייך.
Is he smiling? Yeah. Are you holding him? Can you put your hand under his head like Ima? Look. What? Do you want to tell him a story? Do you want to sing him a song? Should we sing, balloons are
Sand and
balloons are
blue
and yellow. Again. Balloons are
and blue
balloons are and yellow. Hooray! Do you think you like that song? Careful.
The boat.
Oh, he's looking at you. Look. What did he just do? He said nice to you? Can you say nice to him?
Nice.
He said nice.
Nice.
Yeah. Look, he's going to do it again.
Nice.
Can you say nice to Shalef? Nice. Nice.
Nice.
Nice. Shalef said nice to you and you say nice to him. Right? What's on his head? A hat? A hat? Yeah. And what's on his fingers? What's on his hands? Mittens? Mittens. You know why? Because Shalef has really, really long fingernails. And we don't want him to scratch himself. A zipper? He has a zipper just like you tie. Oh, look, he's yawning. Look. Oh.
Guys,
No, he's not crying.
this is nice.
Nice. You want to say nice again? Can you touch his hair? Look, can you see his hair? There. Nice. Good boy.
Nice.
Nice.
Yeah.
Don't do
Nice.
that. Yeah. Nice. You're such a good big brother. Right?
Nice.
Nice. You want him to say nice to you? Hmm? Do you want to give Shalef a kiss? Can you give him a kiss on his cheek? Cheek. Mm. Okay.